Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkis Barrios, your online personal trainer. How are you, my lovely people? I hope you have a wonderful day, night, or evening, or whatever time you're decided to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate your help and support by subscribing to my channel. This year I'm putting yes, this year is my year. I need to really bring you all the information you need to create a healthy lifestyle and don't torturing yourself, because on this channel I share fitness educational content that really will help you build a sustainable healthy lifestyle without restrictions, without punishment, or without guilt. I am more about how you can improve your health, improve your fitness without any complications. So if you like this kind of content, be free to subscribe to my channel because it is free. That being said, if you're like the majority of women, you may wondering when you're going to start seeing the results of your fat loss goals or weight loss goal. Or you may be wondering what type of weight you're losing, meaning if you're losing body fat or if you're losing body weight on it. So on this video, I will be sharing with you the 3 stages that your body go through when it comes to weight loss or fat loss, how your body deal with it, how your body react, and what you can expect in those stations and how you can deal with those stations. If you're interested, let's get into it. So now let's get into the stages that I put them into 3 categories. The first category is the stage, the beginning stage, that is from 1 to 3 weeks, and it's called the honeymoon stage. In this stage, in this phase, you will be feeling excited and motivated 100%. It's like you're going into a new relationship and you're feeling excited, motivated. You feel that you can do it and you are so happy with yourself that you're putting your 100% into that relationship. So this is the honeymoon stage. In this phase, the first 1 to 3 to 4 weeks, you will be feeling that you're losing the weight fast. You may be feeling that your clothes is fitting much better. You may be feeling more energetic, and also you will be feeling that you're seeing some results in your body. This is because you are really changing your lifestyle choices. You're being more aware of what you're consuming. You're being more active. So the reason why you feel that you're losing the weight fast is because you're making changes or you're doing things that you didn't do before, and your body is reacting positive to it. So that's the reason in the first week 1 to week 3 to 4, that stage you will see results very fast. Also in this stage you'll be more strict, you'll be more motivated, you will be following all the rules, you will be really into it because you're giving everything. So because you're so motivated at this stage, is more likely that once you get out from that phase, you will be feeling burnout. And to avoid the burnout, the best recommendation that I can give you is to take it easy, take it slow. I know you are excited. I know that you are happy because you're seeing some results. But if you are being so strict with yourself, that can really cause you to stop and continue after that week frame that is from 1 to 3 to 4 weeks. Once you run out from motivation, that motivation can run out, you're more likely not to continue the program. So really take it slow. Take your time to adapt, enjoy the results, enjoy yourself and the happiness, but remember that it's a process. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, it's a process. So don't push yourself so much. Don't try to be strict so much. Try to also balance your weight loss journey with your life so you can combine it together and create a healthy lifestyle. In these honeymoon phases, that's where my clients are so happy and excited, but I always try to put them into the ground and remind them that this is just the beginning and it will get harder. So please don't be strict, don't punish yourself, don't restrict yourself, and try to use this phase to learn about yourself, learn about your body, learn how to do things that will benefit your body, and understand your feelings. So in this phase, it's very crucial to start building a very good foundation with yourself and with the changes you're bringing into it. Now we're going to talk about the second stage. The normal is between the week 4 to week 6, and it's called the wall. Let me explain this. During this stage, basically, you're still going to be losing weight, but majority of women at this stage, they start to feeling some fatigue, energy crash, and this occur for numerous reasons. It can be because you're training more, it's because you are being more aware of what you're eating. This can be very frustrating sometimes. Your body can feel a little bit stressed with all the changes. So in this phase, you'll be feeling a little bit more tired and a little bit more grumpy. The hormones that will be coming because you're going to be changing things totally in your body. In this phase, your weight loss process will be slowing down a little bit. You will be noticing that the same results you have in the beginning, it will be slowing down. You will be feeling the problem with the scale. That I don't recommend the scale, but if you use the scale to measure yourself, your results, if you use the scale, you will see that the numbers are not changing as how they were changing at that beginning of your stage of your journey. And let me tell you that that is totally normal. Don't alarm yourself. Your body is adapting and trying to really make sure that everything is working properly to help you achieve your goal. And the good thing about this stage that in this stage, basically, you are starting to lose body fat. At this stage, your metabolism is starting to change. So you are more likely to burn fewer calories because the adaptation that your body is going through. But that does not mean that it's a sign for you to stop. Actually, that's a sign for you to continue your journey because your body is just trying to adapt. The adaptation process is a little bit harder in the middle. And then once you pass that adaptation progress, more things will come. So continue your what you're doing, and you will get more closer to your results. Emotions on this stage will be all over a place. You will be feeling annoying, you will be feeling stressed, you will be feeling disappointed, and the motivation will going to gradually slow down. And it's normal, it's valid that you feel this way, but remember that it's a process. It's a process. You're going to get through it. Just continue your routine, continue what you're doing, and keep it until the end. One thing that I can recommend you is to join a fitness group, is trying to hire a personal trainer to motivate you in those moments that you feel down. How I mentioned, in this wall stage, you will be feeling very bad, but having someone next to you, supporting you, motivating you, and encourage you can be a very good way to deal with it and help you move on to the next phase. Once you pass the wall stage, that is from 4 to 6 weeks, now you're going to move on to the last stage, that is 6 and beyond. And in this stage is called the accomplishment stage. Why? Because you already went through hell. Sorry, my expression. You went through so much. And in this stage, your body already understands the new changes. It really understands that you want to continue these changes. You want to exercise. You want to start eating balance. And it's starting to give you the results that you're looking for. And you are feeling great with yourself. You already have creating new habits that will help you continue your journey and keep achieving the aesthetic body that you're looking for in the end without having to so much put yourself down or being so anxious about it. In this stage, you already learn to listen to yourself, learn to listen to your feelings, and put into practice tactics that will help you continue your journey. As I mentioned before, fat loss and weight loss goals are goals that they need to be achievable in the long term. And you will, as you can see in these 3 stages, it takes around 6 months. 6 months for some people. It can take more depending on the people that is going to try it, but 6 months minimum to really establish a solid routine, a solid habit building, a lifestyle change that will help you achieve your fat loss goals. Through this phase, you will be feeling more comfortable with your body, you will be feeling more comfortable with your emotions, you will be understanding your body more and what you can give it, what not to give it, what works with you, what doesn't work with you, and as well you'll be feeling confident. And that's the end result that we're trying to aim when it comes to any fitness goal, that you feel confident, can you feel comfortable, and you feel happy. That's the most important. That's why if you continue in your fat loss journey in the long term, you will be seeing real results that you will maintain over time. In conclusion, you already know the 3 stages that woman goes through when it comes to lose weight. Let me recap. In the first stage, you will be losing some weight and water weight, and also you will be losing the weight very fast. In this stage, you use the honeymoon stage. You're happy and excited to be able to see result quickly. But also it's important to remember that take it easy, okay? And the stage number 2 is the wall stage, in where you're going to feel like a plateau. But in this stage is when you're going to be challenged more. You will be feeling a little bit stressful. You'll be feeling a little bit desperate because you're not seeing the results how you see in the beginning. But the most important part of this stage, that you need to continue and don't give up. And the last stage is the accomplishment stage, in where you already settled yourself and you really already have built healthy habits that will help you maintain and continue your new routine. So these are stages that many women go through, and it's important to know how to overcome. And I really hope that this video can give you some ideas on how you can overcome those stages. And remember, it's a long-term solution. It's a long-term process. It's a long-term journey, and trying to figure it out, how to learn about yourself, understand your feelings, and then feeling confident and positive about yourself will be the best achievement you ever going to get it. Feeling good of yourself and your body. If you're looking for more advice, in the description down below, I have a link that will take you to a PDFs that I have created, in where I share some tips and how you can build healthy habits, and other ones there that if you're looking for extra advice. Or you can follow me on my social medias, or you can leave a comment down below. I think that's all that I have to say to you. Take care. Un beso, familia. Un abrazo. Take care of yourselves. Bye.